How to fix Lazada error OC03. Here's what you have to do. Load up the browser on your phone and search for Contact Lazada Support. Click on the first link that pops up for your specific Lazada region, and you will scroll down until you see this option, Still Need Help, Call Us, Chat With Us. So we're just going to click on Chat With Us. You can also use the phone number to call them. And then once you are taken to the contact page, so it might load up the app directly. So what you have to do is go and click on Settings. Then you will choose the option for Help. And right here, you will see the same screen and you will just click on Chat With Us. If you don't have access to your account, you can call them and explain the issue directly. But you will say OC03 error, please help me fix it. You will send it, and this should connect you with a Lazada representative who is going to further assist you with this error. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.